PC cases are evolving. Bigger GPUs, bigger coolers, and bigger expectations. And Asus believes it has the answer. Introducing the Prime AP303. Building off the success of the Prime AP201, Asus returns with a case that doesn't just scale up, it redesigns the experience. The Prime AP303 enters the mid-tower arena, bringing modern hardware support, clean design language, and builder-friendly engineering. Just like its predecessor, the AP303 comes in two finishes, black or white. And for customization, you can choose between a breathable mesh side panel or a sleek tempered glass variant. Whether you're building for airflow or aesthetic showcase, the AP303 adjusts to your style. Inside, the case expands to a 44-liter volume, opening the door for full-size ATX motherboards, 1200-watt power supplies up to 180 millimeters long, and massive cooling options. Radiators and graphics cards can stretch to 360 millimeters each, perfect for today's oversized GPUs. And as graphics cards only get larger, Asus includes a structural GPU support bracket to keep sagging and long-term stress under control. For air cooling enthusiasts, the AP303 supports CPU tower coolers up to 165 millimeters tall. Airflow is optimized across the chassis, especially when paired with the mesh panel. Cable management also gets serious attention, featuring a 34mm route space designed to keep builds neat, flexible, and frustration-free. At the front, a modernized I/O layout offers USB Type-A, USB Type-C, and essential controls placed within easy reach. Every detail leans toward a smoother building experience, whether it's your first PC or your 50th. The Prime AP303 launches with competitive pricing, around €85 for the mesh model or €90 if you prefer tempered glass. A strong value proposition considering its construction, flexibility, and hardware readiness. Asus didn't just scale up the AP201, it evolved it. And for builders stepping into the next generation of components, this case may just become a new favorite. If you're planning your next build and want clean aesthetics, hardware headroom, and smart engineering, keep the Prime AP303 on your shortlist. Subscribe for more PC hardware breakdowns, and let us know, mesh or glass, what would you build with?